What's up, guys? No Class Garage here. I'm sorry if it's a little loud out here. I'm actually on a active mine site. So today we're working on a Polaris 4-seater. It's a little 4-seater Polaris car. Got a broken shifter. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change the shifter in this Polaris car. First of all, you're going to take out the lower dash. Underneath the dash, you're going to use a T30 or T40, T40 my bad, and a T25. T25s go down here, little T25s. The other ones all go across the top. You're going to pop that out. Once you get that off, you're gonna come and look. It's pretty simple. After you get that off, see this clip right there? Pop that clip out, remove the shift linkage from it. Then you have another clip right here. You're gonna pop that clip off, remove the actual shifter handle. And once you do that, you just reinstall the shifter. I'll show you guys after I get it off. When it's back together, it's pretty simple. The shifter is, hold on. The shifter was on the seat. Where did it go? Okay, so this part goes on the big bolt, and that's its pivot point. The little square right here, that part goes to the other bolt, so when it pivots, it goes like that and it pulls the linkage. So I'll show you guys when I get it back on. There's also a handle that goes on the end. So I hope you enjoy. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Okay, so once you get it out, you are going to transfer this piece to the new shifter. There it is. Obviously you can see the problem. Another thing to keep an eye out is these little washers and the clips. Try not to lose those. They're useful, you need them. It was kind of hard to get it out without taking the top of the dash apart. But I just used a pry bar, stuck it in there and just pried it off and then banged on it once and it popped right out. So yeah, so just make sure that you pay attention to the orientation of this. That way you get it on the right end so that you grab the cable correctly. And yeah, you pretty much just remove that, pop it back in. You're good to go. I'll show you guys when it's finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, there it is. It's installed. Got the clips on. Got that clip on back there. Now I just gotta put the under dash back in and we're good to go. So it's a pretty simple job. I'm missing the top piece right here. I gotta get one. I couldn't find one this morning, so later we'll come out and we'll replace that. But that's it, guys. This is a Polaris Pro 4-seater. And yeah, pretty simple job. So if you break your shifter off, have no fear. No Class Garage is here to show you how to replace it. So go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you would. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And there it is. It's all back together. All the bolts are in. Shifter works. Everything's fine. Happy customers. Polaris Pro shifter replacement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.